Okay, here it is. 1977 Suzuki PE250. Went through the whole bike and restored it. It's about 98% done. I got a few little things to do still. Front sprocket, some light switches and stuff, but it's basically done. Just put the chain on yesterday. DID chain. Engine's all rebuilt. New everything. New bearing seals, crank piston rings, cylinders honed. It's got 150 psi compression. Carburetor's been rebuilt. New wheel bearings, new brakes, new cables, new tires, new seat, well, new seat cover anyway. All sorts of stuff was replaced. Yeah, and I had my neighbor, he's a painter, used to be a body shop guy. He painted the tank and the other stuff there. Turned out awesome. Color matched it to the original fender there, the part that was clean and not messed up. So, took 8 months. I picked it up in February. It was a total basket case. Total mess, it needed everything. Turned out nice. Started up the other day with a spare tank on it. It ran good. So I might take it for a spin today. See how it shifts and runs and the clutch works. Yeah, it's a lot of work. It turned out cool though. So anyway, there it is. 77 Suzuki PE250. I gotta mess with that clutch cable routing a little bit. Painted the engine satin black, high heat paint. Same thing with the pipe and the muffler. Frame and swing arm are gloss black, just Rust-Oleum stuff, you know, nothing fancy. I spent some bucks on the paint for the tank though. Got good stuff. It's got 3 coats of base coat, 3 coats of clear coat. And he just laid it out really flat, so it didn't need to be buffed out or cut or anything. Cleaned up the rims a little bit. Missing the front number plate. Have to find that. Got the speedo though. Yeah. So I think it turned out cool. How many times do you think I'll walk around this bike? Want me to do another 10 times? There's the UTV. We have our own ORV path on our road. Yeah, so anyway, there's the bike. Looks good, runs good. It's got good compression, all new everything. It's basically like a new bike. So, pretty happy with it. Turned out nice. So there it is. Bye-bye.